everyone, Tracy here with Paper Closet Designs, and today's video is another just short one. I've done a bunch of these mug with sleeve cards. They're perfect for handing out gift cards, and I have one Valentine's one already done. It's this one, and it says sending love in a mug, but I thought I would show you a new one that I've done. So what these are is they look like a little coffee mug, and they have a belly band. It's actually the sleeve. You're going to pull that off. And then I tied mine closed with ribbon and a tag, or you can put a little pop dot or something on there. But when you pull that off and open it up, then you have this gift card holder that will hold a gift card. So you can give them, you know, Starbucks or a movie or whatever. So that is the heart mug. I'm not going to put this all back together, but that's the double heart. And now I'm going to show you how to assemble this, and I'm going to do it with the new one that I just did, which is the scalloped heart. So it will come, all of them come with a little printable sentiment. This one's more of an image, XOXO, or X heart, X heart. And you'll have your tag. You'll also want some twine or string or thin ribbon to tie this on with. There's your lid, your heart and your scalloped heart, the sleeve or the belly band, whichever you want to call it, the gift card holder, and then your card base. And your card base actually has two pieces, and don't worry about this piece too much. It's got a little crease in it. Yours will not. I tried cutting it out and I had it on the wrong setting, and I'm almost out of red paper, so I went ahead and used this one anyway. So what you're going to do is you're going to first take your regular card, the front, or the back, excuse me, and it has the lid piece, and you're just going to score it on the lid so that the lid opens up towards you. See, another little cutout. Whoops. Then you're going to take your bottom piece, and it's got the little tab on the bottom, and you're going to fold it down or away from you. Okay, let's go ahead and put tape on that score line right there. I'm going to bring this over, and then we're just going to add that taped place right along the bottom of this one. So I'm just going to lift it up, make sure that they match. Fold it over, and then fold it in, and it is just looking almost perfect. I think that one cut's making it off kilter a little bit. Okay, while it's still open, we're going to take our gift card tag, and I'm just going to put glue on the bottom, a little bit in the middle, and on that top piece. You want to make sure that the little thumb holes don't have any glue on them. And then we're going to just lay that right in there. And slide our gift card in it. Okay. Fandango. I love to go to the movies. Okay, then we're just going to fold that up. Fold this down. The next thing we want to do is add our lid piece. Put some glue on there, and we're going to add our lid to this. Whoops. Oh, I am not doing very good today. Let's get that on there straight. There we go, much better. Okay, now we're going to do our sleeve or the belly band. So there are two score lines. There's one right there in the middle. We're going to fold it down away from us. And then there is another one on the tab, and we're going to fold it down and away from us. And then what you'll do is you're going to put tape right here and then fold this over. that over like that. Perfect. Now let's go ahead and layer our belly band. And you could actually put these together with some foam pop dots. That would be really fun. I'm going to glue it on there. This scalloped piece goes on here with just the tiniest bit of pink showing around it, but not very much. It's just a little bit. So let's put some glue. Just a little bit of the pink edge. Let's slide that over. Perfect. Okay, we're going to go ahead and glue the red heart right on there. And then you can just slide it on there, or you could wrap it around and glue it on. Depends on how thick your gift card is. Okay, and then like I said, to close this up, you could either put like a little glue dot, some removable glue dots so they open it up, or we can just fold it, and I'm going to actually tie it on there. I need to figure out why that's not lining up quite right. Okay, it will be fixed on your file, I promise. Okay, so then we're going to add our little XOXO to the tag. These also come with a blank tag, so if you wanted to add your own sentiment, you could. You just delete this one and use the blank one. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and tie that on. Close that up. Tie it. This is just that crochet floss, embroidery or crochet floss that I got at Michael's, and I use it a lot. You could also use baker's twine or whatever you happen to have on hand. String, I use kite string a lot with mine as well. Put that over there. Oh, I lost a string. It's all good. Tie it on there. And let's trim it up a little bit with some scissors. And there is your mug. Your little heart sleeve mug with the gift card, perfect for Valentine's Day. You could even change this up and do it for like a wedding or a birthday, but there are lots of cards like this. So thank you for joining me today. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up. Please hit subscribe down below so you don't miss any of my videos, and have a great day.